Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Clark. We're doing long division standard algorithm, and we're going to do 138 divided by 3. So we're going to follow these 4 steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Does McDonald's sell burgers? And we are using 3 digits here, but the steps are still the same. So even as you add digits, it doesn't make it that much more challenging. So go ahead and grab these worksheets from the description, follow along, or you can use a piece of paper, and we'll go ahead and get started. So first we would divide, and we'd start on the left here. So we normally do how many times could 3 go into 1, but that doesn't make sense. So we're gonna actually use 13 instead. So we're combining these two because we have to, because you can't use the 1. So we are just saying, if you had 13, how many groups of 3 could you make? Or my favorite way is to skip count my 3s and just see how close I get to 13 without going over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 goes into 13 4 times. And yeah, it's not perfect. There's something left over, but that's what the other steps are for. So you're just trying to see how close can you get. So since 3 goes into 13 4 times, we'll put a 4 up here in the purple box. The next step is to multiply back down. So taking the last thing you wrote, using that 3, 4 times 3 is 12. That's the closest we could get, right? And there was something left over. That's why we subtract. So now we're going to subtract that 13, take 12 away from it, and we get 1. The next step is to bring down, and there's only 1 digit left to bring down because we actually already used these. Bring down the 8, and we have 18 here. Next step is to divide again. So, if you've already written these out, you're just trying to see how many times can 3 go into 18 if you skip count. And you are welcome to use any division strategy you want. If you know your times tables, this gets really easy, really fast. So that's definitely something that will be helpful. So if you already know what 18 divided by 3 is, you're good to go. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. Put the 6 up here. Next step is to multiply the last thing you touched with that 3. 6 times 3 is 18. And then we just subtract one more time to see if there was anything left over. 18 minus 18 is 0. So let's recap. We did, how many times can 3 go into 13? 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. Bring down the 8. How many times can 3 go into 18? 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. And that's the standard algorithm for long division. So I hope that was helpful. Feel free to keep following along. This can feel very intimidating at first, but it will get really easy once you keep practicing.